So today Simba and I are in Chesapeake, Virginia, and we're going to be checking out Chesapeake Campgrounds. And yeah, we'll see you over there. Hi, I'm Ash, and this is Simba, and we're Life on Paws and Wheels.
That's life on the road. This is life on Paws and Wheels.
Well, Simba and I made it here to Chesapeake Campground. Hey, Simba. And we're going to head on inside now and check her out. Well, that was Chesapeake Campground in Chesapeake, Virginia. Simba and I hope that you enjoyed our tour. And please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.
Chasing sunsets and paw prints across the country. That's life on Paws and Wheels.